Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying hardware and permissions. Make sure your desktop has a working Wi-Fi adapter and drivers, because without support you can't host. Once done, open Network Settings. On Windows, go to Mobile Hotspot. On Mac OS, open Sharing. Set an SSID and a strong WPA2 password, and select the connection you'll share, typically Ethernet or the primary Wi-Fi. This starts the host service. You're now broadcasting an access point that your mobile can join, so keep the credentials handy. Next, configure how traffic flows. Enable internet connection, sharing on the adapter that has internet so the hosted network relays packets. On Windows, you can use NetWLAN set hosted network and NetWLAN start hosted network for precise control. On Mac OS, toggle internet sharing to Wi-Fi with WPA2 security. Make sure the firewall allows tethering and DHCP is providing IP addresses. Otherwise, devices will connect but not access the internet. These steps ensure packets route correctly from your desktop. Finally, on your mobile, select the SSID you created and enter the password. Verify you received an IP and a gateway address. Test web access and a quick speed check to confirm routing works. If something fails, restart the hosted network service, toggle the desktop adapter, and make sure internet connection sharing and firewall rules are correct. A quick troubleshooting tip: run diagnostics. On Windows, use NetWLAN show drivers to confirm hosted network supported. Yes, and update drivers if it says no.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.